Hello, this is my 100k pack opening, and let's see what I get in packs. Pow. Well, almost 100k. I got 95. Okay. Right, my first pack. Let's see what I get. Yummy! Well, that's the best pack gun. Not even gonna lie.
Who'd you get?
From no one.
Mate, if you get like informed bail or someone, you know you're giving me coins. Oh, I'm gonna jump on FIFA now, mate. You'd be gutted if you get Torre though, wouldn't you? Because he's just like he's not informed anymore.
Yeah. That's right. Second pack.
Are you quick selling on all your packs or sending them all to club?
Sending them all cup. Oh, I got fucking shit again.
Quick selling.
Huh? I got shit again.
What pack are you in? 7.5k?
Yeah. Alright, third pack.
Do me a favour, send me a link to that website after.
Alright.
No, don't send me the
Oh.
Actually, yeah, send me the link to it, so I'll go on it and I'll...
Getting better. My packs are getting better at the moment.
Did you get a rare player, yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, damn bastard.
A rare player.
You're a 5k Neymar pack though.
I know. Hopefully I'll get Neymar again.
If you get Neymar, I'm gonna fucking rob your account, mate.
Oh. Wow. They're getting shitter.
Who's getting rare silvers?
No. Got like 80 rare. I just want to inform voice, inform you could cost to anyone. Please, just give me inform. Inform, please, anyone.
Like 4 mil almost. I guess what, 3.7 or something like that?
Oh my god. That is fucking fuck you!
What?
It gave me Torre, but it's fucking brother.
Give you Carlos
Yeah.
Jackson, mate. I bet you was about to come then.
Yeah, I know. I like saw the name Torre. I was like, yes, get in, and then all of a sudden it was him.
Oh my god, that's quite funny. I'm trying to sell my team.
Oh my god, I'm getting no rares now. Oh my god. If I don't even get anyone good at this pack opening, oh my god.
It's still pretty cheap though. £7.50 was it? You bought the coins
Yeah.
for? Exactly, £7.50 for like £35 worth of pack, £25 worth of pack.
True. I got 42k left.
Pretty fucking cheap. Do you have to list a player to get them coins or not?
Yeah.
Oh.
I got 42k left.
Probably list them up.
Now 35.
Oh, 12k, who sold? 2 players, 12k, God. El Shaarawy.
Man, I got Mandzukic and fucking. I got 3. For fuck's sake.
Not bad. Di Natale sold, and so did El Shaarawy.
35k. I don't want that shitty ball. Quick, sold out.
What's this about 35k?
I got 35k left. And I got no one good.
Wow, already only 35k. That's gone. You
Jeez.
get Chiellaro.
No, I don't reckon I'm gonna get shit.
You reckon you're gonna get pissed off if you ask for more coins?
Yeah.
Are you gonna ask for more?
No.
So you're just gonna sit there with 13?
Yeah. Nah, I'm putting all these people in the club, ain't I? I'll just make a shit team.
Yeah, literally a really shitty team.
Yeah. With no chemistry.
Yeah. I'm making a Silver Bundesliga team, anyways.
Oh, I thought I saw some coins then. Yeah, mate, I just got 1,000 coins.
Rich fuck.
I know.
You should make a gold Bundesliga. No, not gold, silver, sorry.
Why?
Because a lot of the players are really OP. S-Vine's pretty OP.
I got 13k left.
quite decent player with that.
Fucking Lewandowski!